So, DJI made a robot vacuum. Yeah, that's DJI. The company known for drones that can basically fly themselves has now entered the home space with their first ever flagship robot vacuum, the DJI Romo. And I have been so lucky to be one of the first people in the world to check it out. I've had it in my home for weeks now, and in this video I want to share my experience. I'll show you why the DJI Romo might be the smartest, cleanest, and most futuristic robot vacuum ever made, and how it achieves something no other brand has pulled off before. A perfect balance between power, coverage, and zero maintenance. Let's start with what you immediately notice, which is the design. This thing looks stunning. DJI went with a fully transparent body, which isn't something we've ever seen in a vacuum before. You can literally see all the internal mechanics at work. The fans, the sensor, the robotic arms. It's actually mesmerizing. It's inspired by the form of a jellyfish, and honestly, it looks more like a piece of futuristic art than a cleaning device. It's one of those rare products you actually want to have display in your home. Design is only parts of it. The real story here is something DJI calls the golden triangle, their formula for the perfect vacuum experience. It's built around three pillars. 1, a truly hassle-free operation. 2, the ultimate cleaning coverage. And 3, powerful cleaning performance. So let's start with the truly hassle-free operation. The Romo uses the same millimeter level obstacle avoidance technology found in DJI's high-end drones. We're talking about binocular fisheye vision sensors and multiple solid-state LiDARs that allow it to see and avoid even a Lego brick or cable as thin as 2 millimeters on the floor. It works perfectly even in low light. So whether it's cleaning under the bed at night or navigating around chair legs and your feet, it doesn't get stuck and it doesn't drag dirt everywhere either. Then there's the base station, and this is just wild. It's the first high-pressure water jet self-cleaning base station, meaning it can clean itself and its mop pads for up to 200 days without any maintenance. This has been a blessing. No more disenabling, no more scrubbing rollers. You can literally just let it do its thing, which is clean and vacuum for you. Next up, the coverage. Traditional robot vacuums struggle with corners, furniture legs, or odd-shaped rooms. DJI solved that with dual robotic arms that extend out from the Romo sides. These allow it to clean along irregular edges, under cabinets, around chair legs, and even curved furnitures. It uses high, thick absorption mop pads that hold more water and trap dirt instead of spreading it. And because it's intelligent, it automatically applies just the right amount of detergent depending on what it's cleaning, from dust to kitchen grease. Then there's the raw cleaning power. The Romo suction reaches up to 25,000 pascals. That's hurricane level power in a vacuum cleaner, this little size. It also has dual anti-tangle roller brushes, so even if you've got pets or long hair around the house, it won't get jammed in the Romo. There's also a degreasing mode that automatically adds detergent to the mop pads, perfect for kitchens or high traffic areas. And after it's done, The dust box even dries and deodorizes itself, so there's no lingering smell. One thing I really appreciate is that it's smart about how it moves. When returning to its base station, the Romo doesn't just pick the shortest route, it picks the smartest route. It won't get trapped under chairs or stuck under a rug. And speaking of rugs, it can automatically detect carpet edges and avoid soaking them during the mopping phase. That's something even the most expensive model vacuum cleaners out there can sometimes struggle with. Using this thing every day to day honestly feels like having a personal cleaning assistant. It just handles everything. The transparent design makes it fun to watch, and the app gives you full control from obstacle avoidance settings to specialized cleaning modes like kitchen degreasing or carpet strategy. And here's the crazy part, it's quiet. The Romo has 3 stages sound suppression system, filtering out 80% of noise. You can run it while you're on a call or watching TV and you will barely notice it. If you want a robot vacuum that actually lives up to the idea of being smart and hassle-free, well, the DJI Romo is the perfect option. Now, if you've enjoyed this quick little video on a absolutely fantastic device sent to me by DJI, don't forget to smash the like button and hey, maybe even hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.